The ProfitBuilder is a WordPress plugin that focuses on creating landing pages and funnels to help you grow a mailing list and sell your products. It also offers other products that offer other features to generate more results for your business. What will you get with WP ProfitBuilder? Visual Builder. A great visual builder can make or break a tool like ProfitBuilder. While its content editor isn't the best we've seen, it's far from the worst. In fact, it's quite good. Here's what it looks like in action. The editing toolbar is to the right. It pops up every time you click on a design element. The user interface, in my opinion, is okay. The darkness of it wouldn't have been my first choice. It took me some time to get used to. Going back to the toolbar, it has some great editing options for you to play with. Margin and padding, for example, will give you the ability of some cool placement and alignment tricks. The schedule feature is a good one. Not all page builders can do this. You would probably need to install a whole other plugin for something like this. Then you've got the devices option, which is a responsiveness feature. You can choose to hide certain elements for certain screen sizes. Mobile and tablet, for instance. You can also give your elements some cool animations. This would be useful to make your visitors more aware of your calls to action. Speaking of elements, there are dozens to choose from. 100+ landing page templates. Templates are important because they take half the work out of page building. It beats having to start with a blank page. In the ProfitBuilder's case, there are over 100 to choose from. All of PB's templates aren't available for everyone who buys PB, however. That club ribbon you see there means that specific template can only be used by those that opt into the Templates Club. The Templates Club is one of PB's upsells. It's a monthly subscription that goes for about $30 a month. This club has all the best templates, in my opinion, and it sucks that you have to pay for a subscription to gain access. However, you wouldn't necessarily need them. Sure, they're nice. But if you get good at using PB's page builder, you'd be able to build awesome pages. That's one of the best things about visual page builders with this kind of power. You can start with a blank page and create beautiful content. WordPress theme. The ProfitBuilder comes with a WordPress. You don't have to use it, but it's there. Is it any good? In my opinion, it's okay. But I have to say, if I chose PB as my go-to page builder, I would use a different theme. Why? I do not like the user interface. To me, it feels a little outdated. I'm sure they're working on an update, but it's not something I'd use at its current state. However, the theme has some pretty good options. For example, you can determine your own sizes for your featured images. Funnel Builder. PB's funnel building functionality is rather simple. You simply add pages to it and determine which page goes where. A/B testing. Split testing is an important feature for building high-converting landing pages. It helps us test things like headlines, copy, page elements, and even a page's entire design. Creating an A/B test with ProfitBuilder is easy. You can do this right inside the editing page in your dashboard. Training and support. The people behind ProfitBuilder does a great job at providing support and tutorials on how to use ProfitBuilder. There is a whole page of PB tutorials that range from the basics to optimization. WP ProfitBuilder pros and cons. Pros. Good visual page builder. Dozens of page elements. Over 100 page templates. Provides training tutorial videos. Great pricing points. Will fit in most people's budget. Offers additional resources like a WordPress theme. Provides features other landing page builders don't, such as A/B testing, a shopping cart, and more. Cons. Ease of use could be a lot better. User interface is dark-themed. I found it a little hard to understand. UI in general feels outdated. Monthly paywall behind their better page templates.